Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. I'm Neil and today is my son's birthday and I've managed to get him a gaming chair. So I thought I'd share the unboxing of the gaming chair just to show you what comes in the box and how difficult or easy it is to unpack and put up. It's just over here. The boy's at school, so we've got to get this up before he gets home. So I'm hoping it won't take that long. But anyway, we went for, let's turn the camera upside down. A Bigzzia? No, Bigzzia. Bigzzia. This is what it looks like on Amazon. And obviously there's a link in the description to help you buy that. If you use that link, thank you so much. But this is what comes in the box. It actually came, this isn't a big gripe or a complaint, but it actually came with the bottom quite open. It looked like this. And it was difficult buying a gaming chair because my son wanted a particular colour. He wanted a yellow one or a green one. Thinking of the green, other than it doesn't match absolutely anything in his room whatsoever. But the thinking of the green, as you probably know if you're a parent of a gamer, you have my deepest sympathies, by the way. So obviously it's the colour of the Xbox logo. Here we have some arms. This is the base for the legs. We've got some controls for the seat. Got the instructions. This is what the instructions looks like. The writing's quite big, so I'm very grateful for that. There we go. Just got to force it in. Put the gas rod on here. Put that on like that. Then I need to install the tray. So we'll put this up. And I'm going to mount the cushion onto the base. How low can you go? I feel like I should sit on it just to make sure it goes down. So let's get the back onto the base. That goes through here. I've made a pig's ear of the Bigzzia. The bar, they didn't say which way around the bar should go, and that's obviously wrong, isn't it? I think that's it. So let's put the back on now. Look, I still don't know if this is the right way around. I didn't realise that it was actually locked to be forward. So this might be wrong as well. I'm going to leave it like this for now. Great, so next instruction. Install the chair arm. Right, so I've gone to the garage and I can't find any WD-40, so I'm going to use this olive oil. I'm just going to put a little drop of olive oil onto the bolt just to help it go in, because the screw is tearing on this particular bolt. A bit of oil on it to help it go in. Here we go. What might help is to put the bolt in without the arm on, and then that will loosen up the screws, hopefully. Now we can put the arm on. That's it, and then it comes with these black plugs, which is good because that will hide the bolt holes under here. Spin it around on there. I'll go and get my other camera because it's nicer and I'll try and make it look nice. This was 3 months ago, and 3 months on, we are really happy with this gaming chair. It is super comfortable, it's being used every single day, and I'm really jealous. I think it might be the most comfortable chair in the house. The back support is great, the padding is awesome, and you can tilt the chair backwards, but my son hasn't done that. It's just good to go as it is. And you can find this exact chair with the link in the description. You can help other people find this video by hitting the thumbs up button, so thanks for that. And if you hit the subscribe button, you don't have to watch any of my videos again, but you'll be helping me to reach 1,000 subscribers, which is a massive goal at the moment.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?